Hey guys, this is Ashik. In this video, I'm going to explain about NAT Gateway, Network Address Translation. So the main purpose or motivation behind this video. So most of the sessions, whatever the networking session I'm taking, so this is a common question from student. What is a NAT Gateway? So you might be already heard about this. Maybe you master in NAT Gateway. There are certain students, they don't know what is a NAT Gateway. Okay, so let me explore and let me just demystify this today. What exactly the purpose of NAT gateway and what is the pros and cons. NAT in the sense network address translation, as the name says, this is going to translate one IP to another IP, right? It can be a private IP to another private IP. This can be a private IP to public IP, right? And we have a two kind of NAT. One is static NAT, another one is a dynamic NAT. So as the name says, static, that will be a static, stationary one, and dynamic, that will be dynamic. That will be keep on changing the IP address. Okay. So anyway, I'm not explaining about static and dynamic right now. Now let's discuss about benefits of NAT gateway or pros. So by using NAT gateway, we can bring internet to a private subnet. So consider a scenario, you have a 2 to 3 private virtual machine in a subnet, private subnet and private virtual machine. So definitely it's a private, so we can access to internet. Suppose if you want to install an application, suppose if you want to upgrade your machine, it's not possible because we are not able to access internet from private subnet or private virtual machine. So in the scenario, you can create a NAT and whenever you try to connect internet, so the connection will go through NAT and the private IP of VM will be converted to public IP. Since you have a public IP, you will be able to access internet. So as you can see in this diagram, so this is a public subnet, this is a private subnet, and private subnet have a multiple machine, and this public subnet have a multiple machine, and this is already connected to internet gateway, right? And this private subnet have a private virtual machine, but this is not directly connected to internet gateway. So the problem is these virtual machine having public IP and this virtual machine doesn't have any public IP. So how do you connect internet over you? To connect internet, so what you can do, you can create a NAT gateway. So this NAT gateway will have a dedicated public IP address. So when you try to connect internet, so this connection will go to NAT gateway, from NAT gateway to internet gateway. So second benefits, you can deny all the inbound connection. So when you create a private application, our main goal is the application should be completely private and nobody should connect from internet, like through remote session or RDP, SSH, I can select that. So this is we can achieve by using NAT because it's a private IP. You cannot access by using this NAT public IP. Okay, so this is only allow outbound connection. This will be deny inbound connection. So that is another benefit. And third rule, suppose consider you have 1,000 virtual machine in this subnet and you want to create a rule for all the virtual machine in subnet. Suppose if you don't have an NAT gateway, then you have to take one by one virtual machine and this IP address, right? So this is a very tedious task, but if you already have an NAT gateway, we know that whenever this virtual machine connecting to NAT gateway, this will convert to private to public IP and this IP you can use as your source. So that's it. This is a short video regarding NAT gateway, and if you have any further doubts, you can comment your questions. So I'll be happy to help you on that. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Thank you so much. Bye.